Okay, my Ego self-propelled mower is running. It's pretty quiet, and I'll show that when I push the lever to turn on the self-propelled mechanism, it will start with a whirling sound. So you can hear the whirling quite a bit. It's really loud, which is kind of frustrating.